Hello and welcome back to the weekly Cars.co.za news. I'm David Taylor, and in today's episode, pricing for the Golf GTI 8.5, pricing for the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace replacement, plus this really awesome LDV Bakkie, and I've got pricing on that. But before we get into this week's episode, Cars.co.za is hosting DealerCon 2025 this month in September. Now, if you're involved in the automotive retail space and want to hear from the legends of the industry on trends and so much more, tickets are still available, and I'll link all the info you need to know about DealerCon in the description below. Right, music. First story for the week, and on your screen right now, that is the Golf GTI 8.5, the facelift. And Volkswagen Group Africa has confirmed the first batch comprises 300 units, pricing 908,000 Rand, which is about 55 grand more than the pre-facelift, the Golf 8 GTI. Now, before you all rage and go, 900,000 Rand for a Golf, that's outrageous. Just hang on. Let me show you why this is actually good value. So I spent time on Volkswagen Group Africa's local configurator. And when you tick every single option of the Golf GTI 8, that is, the total bill comes to 990,000 Rand 900. That's every option ticked. So I'm just trying to make this really like for like. Now, this facelifted version, 908,000 Rand. And if I look at the release from Volkswagen, these options are standard: 19-inch alloy wheels, LED plus headlamps plus illuminated front logo, park assist plus, adaptive cruise control, reverse camera, front assist, panoramic sunroof. So those are not options, those are already built in. So not bad, but let's see how long Volkswagen Group Africa can hold that pricing. I mean, for 90 grand for the 8 versus 908 grand for the 8.5, with a bit more power and a bit more performance, I think that looks like a really good deal. On to the next story, and it's another Volkswagen. Now, officially, I read it as Volkswagen Tayron, but I've been told now it's Tayron, so I guess you can call me David Tyler. No, it doesn't quite work, does it? Yes, but this Volkswagen Tayron is the 7-seater Tiguan Allspace replacement, and it's just gone on sale. But when I went through the press release, I saw that the entry-level model is a 5-seater. So how does this work? A 5-seater Tayron, which I would call a Tiguan. But the other two derivatives are 7-seaters. So pricing and warranty is on your screen right now. As you can see, 811,000 Rand gets you into this thing. 110 kilowatt, 250 Newton meter, 1.4 turbocharged 4-cylinder. Look, I'll be honest. Yes, front wheel driven. Yes, 7-speed dual clutch. But guys, I feel like this car is begging for a 2-liter diesel and 4Motion. And I'm hearing that this model will eventually come to South Africa, but right now I feel like that might be a little bit underpowered. Look, there's nothing wrong with that engine, that 1.4 TSI. That's been in a number of products, and it's great in something like a Golf, but a 7-seater with all of people and all that cargo, I don't think that's going to be the fastest thing around. And in our final story for the week, guys, you know how much I love a big, bold Bakkie. And on your screen right now, this is the LDV Terron 9, and I think it looks fantastic. You know me, guys, I love an assertive big grille, like something that makes you go, whoa, that's a lot. And this is all of the lot. Well, I haven't seen it in the metal. I went through the press release and looked at the technical data. It is 5.5 meters long. It is longer than a Kia Tasman. It is longer than a Ford Ranger. This thing is massive. Now, as a reminder, LDV, that's the commercial arm of the Chinese brand SAIC. And remember that they also bring in MG, those passenger cars, little SUVs, to our market. From the technical data, 3 derivatives, all of them have 4x4, all of them have 8-speed automatic gearboxes. And that's a ZF 8-speed, by the way, and you know how many vehicles have that ZF 8-speed. There's also a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel, 163 kilowatts, 520 Newton meters. There's a ground clearance of 220 mil, towing capacity of 3.5 tons, and a payload of 1.1 tons. So far, so good. When it comes to the numbers game, I think the Terron 9 is looking all right. Pricing is on your screen right now, and you can see that this massive thing starts from 699,900 Rand. And this is quite appetizing. I'm interested, and I can't wait to give this thing a go. I'm going to call it the Charlize, though, the Charlize Terron. Yes, I know that's not my finest work. And on that bad dad joke, I'm going to end off this week's episode. As always, I will link all the information on the vehicles you've seen today in the description below. And remember, DealerCon, I will link all the information you need to know about that prestigious industry event in the description below. I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.
Let's find what moves you. Cars.co.za.
Hello, now I have been asked to tell you about Cars.co.za because I work here. Now on the site right now, you will find 72,000 cars to choose from, which is quite a lot. And yes, most of them are used cars. However, a significant number, many of them, an exact number of which I don't know and head office didn't tell me, but a lot of them are brand new cars and demos. So whether you are looking for a used car, a new car, or a demo, you'll find what you're looking for on Cars.co.za. Check out our mobile site, our desktop site, and our fantastic free app in whichever app store you use.
Let's find what moves you. Cars.co.za.